Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we hack AI tools to supercharge your content game. If you're new here and dreaming of that YouTube monetization, hitting 4,000 watch hours without the endless grind, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It fuels more tips like this and helps you stay in the loop for 2025's Creator Edge. Today, we're diving into Opus Clips, the AI powerhouse that's turning long videos into viral shorts that funnel views back to your full-length content, making those watch hours pile up like magic. But is it the easy button for monetization? Let's scroll through their site and clip the hype with real demos, laughs, and facts. Boom! Right off the bat, Opus Clip screams #1 AI video clipping tool. One long video, 10 viral clips, 10 times faster. It's like your video's personal hype man, analyzing trends from TikTok and YouTube to spot those scroll-stopping moments. Upload your podcast or vlog, and poof, AI handles the heavy lifting with features like ClipAnything for any genre, from sports highlights to chit-chat. Testimonials here are gold. One creator saw watch time jump 40 to 50%. Another doubled views. And podcasters report full video retention skyrocketing from 1 to 3% to over 12%. For media pros, case studies show 30 million extra views in months, directly boosting watch hours by repurposing clips that link back to originals. Hilarious how it claims to work on any video, even if your cat video goes viral by accident.
Check out the workflow. AI detects highlights, adds transitions, and predicts virality scores. Yes, it's free to start with a generous free tier, 60 credits monthly for testing clips up to 1080p, auto-reframe, AI captions, and more, though with watermarks and export limits after 3 days. Paid plans kick in from $15 per month for watermark-free exports, editing, and unlimited perks to scale your output. But for scaling to 4,000 hours, it's the automation. Create shorts that tease your long form, driving traffic and retention. Users rave it saves hours weekly, turning editing drudgery into AI intern vibes. Though sometimes that intern picks the weird clips, like focusing on your coffee spill instead of the punchline. Now, let's hop to the ClipAnything page. Bad boy's multimodal magic. Hands-free or custom prompts to snag moments from vlogs, gaming, or even silent sports reels. No more talking head limits. AI scans frames for emotions, actions, and sounds, rating virality potential with pro storytelling tweaks. Imagine dropping a travel vlog and getting teaser clips that hook viewers back to the full epic, racking up those precious hours. It's like having a director who reads minds, but occasionally over-dramatizes your snack break. Ties perfectly to monetization. Pump out shorts daily, optimize for platforms, and watch algorithm love flow to your long vids. Over to the Creators section, tailored for solo hustlers like you, creators have exploded views with Opus. Max Chernov hit 1 million in 11 days. Jenny Hoyos, 4 million. Even small YouTubers like Glishasek in 9 days. Features like AI B-roll and voiceover supercharge watch time, key for that 4K hour grind. It's your burnout buster, one-click shorts from podcasts or vlogs with prompts for viral hooks, turning archives into engagement machines. Laugh if your deep thoughts clip goes mega. AI's got the sauce for rapid growth without the sweat. Next up, the AI video editor. No skills? No problem. This text-based wizard lets you edit like a doc. Tweak words, timelines, add B-roll or voiceovers in clicks. AI zaps fillers, enhances speech, reframes for shorts, and even schedules posts with analytics. Complements clipping by polishing those viral nuggets into pro shorts, or 3 to 15-minute clips that boost retention. Think 10 times faster edits, turning raw rants into watch-hour magnets. It's like a caffeinated sidekick who cleans up your ums and ahs, but might add B-roll of dancing cats if you're not watching. For advertisers, it's ad clip wizardry. Spin long vids into dozens of shorts with CTAs, virality scores, and 400% cost cuts, 3 times output, 96% faster. Creators can borrow this for promo shorts that drive traffic back to mains, scaling tests to lower costs and amp visibility. Hilariously efficient for ad fails turned viral wins, funneling eyeballs and hours your way. Quick detour to the new thumbnail generator. AI crafts clickbait-level thumbs fast to pair with your clips, boost CTR, and hook viewers straight to full vids for those sweet hours. Note, tool details are emerging, but it slots perfectly into the ecosystem for visual pop. Finally, pricing confirmation. Free tier, yes, but upgrade for the full monetization muscle. Starter at $15 per month for basics, Pro $29 per month or less annually for B-roll galore and teams. Trials await, no card needed. So, verdict for 2025? Opus Clips isn't a cheat code, but it's damn close for easy 4,000 hours. Automate shorts from longs, leverage virality scores, edit like a pro, and use CTAs to loop views back. Reddit users confirm it IDs viral potentials better than manual, saving sanity. Trustpilot mixed, but praises time saves for pods. Temper with tweaks. AI's smart, but you're the boss. Free trial it, and monetize smarter, not harder. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe for more AI growth hacks.